Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 15th September current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one. Today, that is September 15th, we will celebrate it as a International Day of Democracy. First of all, we have to know the democracy. Democracy means for the people, of the people, by the people. Here, in democracy, we have the right to question. Suppose government is doing mistake or something wrong, we can ask, we can question that government. That questioning is known as democracy. If suppose autocracy or monarchy is in there, that means we cannot ask any questions, we cannot fight for our rights, simply following what they are telling. That is known as monarchy. Here every country moving towards the democracy. After, if you see the after 19th century, every country moving towards the democracy. That's why if you see that India is the biggest democratic country. That's why India has the history of 70 years. That is, if you see after 1947, total 73 years experience in this democratic country. That's why India will lead in the situation of democracy. If you see that why we are celebrating on this day, that is September 15, in 2007, the United Nations General Assembly, very important, UNGA, United Nations General Assembly, resolved to observe 15th September as the International Day of Democracy. Here there is a link between two things, that is first one democracy and second one human rights. Here the link between democracy and human rights is captured in the Article 21 of Section 3 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Here we know that different types of fundamental rights. Fundamental right comes under equality before the law. We have the right to education. There are several fundamental rights or human rights also there. Here, that's why here there is a link between democracy as well as and human rights under the is captured under the Article 21.3 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. That's why we have to know about our democratic country. Next one, life on Venus. It is very exciting. We know that experiments is going on. If you see that more number of experiments is going on Moon and Mars only, but nobody is concentrating on Venus. Here it is, up to now it is a theoretical one, there is no practical. If you see that why it is in news, life on Venus. Venus is the second planet after Mercury from the Sun. That's why first one Sun, after that Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. There is a order of that one. Here if you see that life on Venus, why it is in use? Because discovery of phosphine gas in the atmosphere of Venus. Here what is the phosphine? Phosphine is a colorless but a smelly gas. It don't have any color, but it is a smelly gas. By smelling we can detect that one. It is known to be made only by the some species of bacteria that survive in the absence of oxygen. That bacteria that survive in the absence of oxygen. That's why phosphine, after discovery of phosphine in the Venus, we can expect the life on the Venus. Here any experiments or anything doing from our ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, there is a experiment from our ISRO, that is Shukrayaan. It is a tentative one. Next one, whether what is the life or what is the chances of life on this Venus, whether we can sustain or whether we can put a life on that one. Here if you see the temperature of Venus is very high, it is too high, and its temperature is highly acidic. Just two of things that would make life impossible. That's why if you see that the first one, that is temperature on Venus is very high, and next one atmosphere is highly acidic. That's why these two conditions become the life is impossible in Venus. That's why our scientists or our experiments or researchers are doing more on the Mars and Moon only. But it is a breakthrough for this situation. We have to concentrate Venus also. Next one, Yoshihide Suga. We know that step down of Japan's Prime Minister, that is Shinzo Abe. Now in Japan, Yoshihide Suga was elected as the new head of the Japan's ruling. He is from the Liberal Democratic Party, that is LDP. Here, Suga received 377 votes in the party election to pick a successor to the Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. We know that Shinzo Abe announced that last month he would resign due to the health problems. He resigned from the health problems. That's why Yoshihide Suga is elected as the new head of the Japan's ruling. Next one, very important concept. Please concentrate on this one. Why? Because we may expect one question from this concept in a next year competitive exams. That is Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. We know that ex officio or a chairperson of Rajya Sabha is Vice President. Now President Venkaiah Naidu ji is there. Harivansh Narayan Singh was re-elected. That means he is the second time he is elected as the Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman by voice vote. That means suppose there is a 545 members Rajya Sabha. In that, some due to COVID-19, some members are present. In that situation, Rajya Sabha chairperson will put a voting. Here it is like a voice vote. What is the meaning of voice vote? Suppose who are presenting in that Rajya Sabha, he will ask who are against this person or who are admitting this person. That means if suppose I am admitting this person, that is Harivansh Narayan Singh, I can say yes. Who are not, I am not willing to put this person as a deputy chairman, I can say no. That's why who are accepting say can yes, and who cannot, that means they can say no. That's why by putting the voice vote, getting the highest number of yes, he is the deputy chairperson of Rajya Sabha. Here Vice President of India is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. That is chairperson of this Rajya Sabha is Vice President, that is President Venkaiah Naidu ji. Next one, deputy chairman is elected internally by the Rajya Sabha only. There is no external forces. That means the members of Rajya Sabha will elect this deputy chairman only. Next one, deputy chairman have the same powers as the chairman. The powers having by chairman is the same powers should be given to deputy chairman. In the absence of vice president or in the absence of chairman, he can lead that Rajya Sabha. That's why the deputy chairman have the same power as the chairman. It is very important concept. Please concentrate it. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye-bye.